Good day, everyone. Good day, my followers. Good day, my viewers. I am Teacher Patrick. So today I'll be taking you physics, and this is a Unidel Post UTME pass question. And today's topic is acceleration. Sit down, relax, and watch. How long will it take a body moving with an initial velocity of 15 meters per second to increase its velocity to 45 meters per second if it accelerates 2 meters per second square? Option A, 30 sec. Please take note, this sec means what? Seconds. 30 seconds, 25 seconds, 9 seconds, 15 seconds. So these are the options. Okay, so let's solve. Solution. Now we all know that acceleration formula is always giving us increase in velocity over time taken. Now for this increase in velocity, is always final velocity minus initial velocity, and the symbol are giving us, for final we use v, while for initial we use what? U. Time taken we use what? Small t. Okay, so now if you look at the question, what are the things that are given? It says with an initial 15 to increase its velocity to 45. So initial velocity, which is u, in the question there is given as 15 meter per seconds. Final, in the question there, is given as v, which is having 45 meter per seconds. Okay, so time is not given, question mark. What about acceleration? Acceleration is a, and it was given in the question there. Acceleration was given as what? Given as is a, and it was given as 2 meter per second square. Okay, so meaning our formula is going to be a is equal to v, which is the increase in the velocity, final minus initial, v minus u over t. Okay, to make our work more easier, this here you can make this t subject formula. Once you cross multiply, this t will come here, our a will come here, so we're going to have t is equal to v minus u over a. Okay, so get your, so put your values here. What's our v? 45. What's our u? 15. What's our a? Our a is 2. So let's go. 45 minus 15. Use your calculator. You have 30. Divide by 2. And what's the final answer there? 15 seconds. Okay, so if you look at it in the option, you are having what? D. So our final answer is D, which is 15 seconds. Take note of the formula: acceleration, increase in the velocity or change in the velocity over time taken. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, and comment. I still remain Teacher Patrick. For those of us who are interested in my online class, you are free to give me DM. See you next time again. Bye bye.